How to make money with Dall-E 2 in 2023, step by step. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with making money using Dall-E. So let's get into it. Now, what is Dall-E? What is all this AI stuff that is going around on the internet? It's making around. So how can you utilize this to make money? We're going to be discussing all that and so much more. So to get started, DALL-E is actually a AI, so it is artificial intelligence. And what this artificial intelligence program basically does is that this is specifically created to create images from text description. So you can describe whatever you want, and you can use that description to create an image. So you can see they have multiple different use cases for this, and you can monetize this feature very easily and in a number of ways. And once you master this or just use this in a number of different ways, you're going to be able to understand the potential earning income that you can get from this. So it has a bunch of different things. You can add multiple different options. So let's say that you create a basic image. So you can also do things like change colors, or you can do adding unique items. So let's say you have like a basic image of a house, then you can be like add a couch. So it will show you multiple different types of couches that you can add. And there are so many different variations that you can create with this. You can also use original images and create customizations from that image. So if this is the original image, then you can create multiple different animated versions. It's going to give you different art styles and different customizations within that image. So not only can you generate a image out of thin air, but you can also take a pre-existing image and get a animated variation of that image, as well as create multiple different edits within a image. So how can you get started and how can you make money off of this? First off, there are three basic ways that I'm going to show you guys that you can make money off of using this kind of AI, which is the DALL-E 2. And all you have to do is click on sign up on the top right over here. Or if you already have an account, you can simply go into log in. You can click on continue with Google over here. And you're just going to select the account that you want to use to get started. And just like that, this is it. This is my account. Sometimes you might have to do phone verification, that is it, or email verification. And this will be your account. Now, first off, I'm going to show you guys exactly how this works, and then I'm going to show you guys the potential ways that you can make money off of this. So let's say I want a oil painting of a 90s teen girl room, and I'm just providing a description, and you can create a more detailed description. The more details you give, the more accurate it would be to your imagination. But you can see now I've provided this little description. You can see it's a 90s teen girl room. It fits very much with the aesthetic, and it's an oil painting. Let's say I just want a 90s teen girl room like this. So let's say I want a 90s teen girl room with near a lake with a bird side. So now I've added a little more of a descriptive type of detailing, but I've removed the oil painting so I can get different art styles of that image. So you can see now I have multiple different images. I can click on the second version. I can click on an image and then customize it further. I can create variations out of this image as well. And how can you really monetize that? Well, there are three different ways that you can monetize it. First off, you can use this AI to generate product. So there are a bunch of different websites like Printful or Redbubble where you can sell your designs, and usually people take years and years to master design and create interesting looking designs. But with DALL-E, you can easily create a simple design. So you can go on ahead and search for. So I'm just searching for a red fluffy gangster teddy bear, and I'm just going to take that design, and I can just take that design and get it printed on t-shirts, on sweatshirts, hoodies, and different types of products, and use that to sell more product. So I'm going to customize this further. You can obviously, the more detailed you go, the better the design is going to be. And we're just going to keep on adding more details. You can customize it however you like. You can take one image that you might like, and you can go on ahead and save that image and create variations from that image as well. So I'm going to take this image and create further variations of that image as well, and this will render me more images that are closer to the idea that I have in mind. So now you can see I have multiple different images, and you can see these are so amazing. They're like a lot more professional than what you would usually get if you were painting them yourselves or getting them painted by someone else. So let's say I want to use this. So this is like a very nice little design that I can use to print products. Now, other than getting printed products or selling those products, if you don't want to do that, you can even use Dall-E's AI to sell your services on Fiverr. So Fiverr is a freelancing platform, and it is often used by so many different businesses, designers, corporations to find people that can accomplish their tasks for them. And things like logo designing are super popular. So if I just search for logo designing, people are charging upwards of $45, $50 to create a logo. And you can see this person says, I will design a logo or brand identity, and it starts at 1300. So people are paying a lot for creative minds to create designs. And this is all simplified by using AI. So what you're going to do is you're simply going to take the description that your client provides, that they want a logo for a fashion brand. So I'm just gonna search for a logo for a eyelash salon. That's the description I'm going to provide. That might be my client, and they want a logo, and then they want a brand identity. So I can simply use the AI, enter all the descriptions over here, and get the logo from over here. And obviously, it's going to take a couple of tries. You can also click on surprise me and get, random kind of image as well, and then customize that image. But if you already have something in mind, you can upload that and get further ideas from that as well. And this is not only going to expand you creatively, but you can generate quite a bit of money with these kinds of illustrations. Now, there is one more way that you can make money with this AI, and that is selling NFTs. So, NFTs are still super popular. They are an effective way to make money, especially if you're able to create unique pieces, you're able to generate, a interesting idea, then it's definitely still a very good way for you to be able to create money. So what you're going to do is you can go on to Dall-E's AI and you can generate an NFT. So you can add descriptions, and you can use these descriptions to create multiple different creatures, and then you can take the creature itself and create NFTs out of that as well. So we can build entire collections off of this. So you can see this like multiple different creatures in the woods, and this is going to generate more realistic images. And now I'm just going to search for art because maybe I want something more artistic. And in this way, you can use these collections. You can simply click on collection and use these as NFTs as well. Not only that, but you can upload your own images to customize that. So for that, just click on uploads, go and upload any image that you want. And we're going to crop it and click on generate variations. And you can take one image that you took or one art piece that you created and create variations of that and sell those as NFTs as well. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.